How to make Siri announce notifications on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Siri. Siri settings allow you to control how Siri works, from voice activation and response to accessibility features, enabling you to manage calls, set alarms, get directions, play music, and more, all through voice or text commands. On this page, scroll down and tap on Announce Notifications. From here, turn on the Announce Notification switch at the top. This setting will have Siri read out notifications. Siri will avoid interrupting you and will listen for responses after reading notifications. Following these steps, you can easily make Siri announce notifications on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.